Okay, if you are thinking of building a pool, buying a pool, this is why you do not want an infinity pool. So, notice down in here, all of the dirt, all along here, is along this whole thing. And notice too, as I'm walking along, there are no return ports anywhere in here. So this water is going to be stagnant the entire time. Right now, we're pretty much mid-March. Water's pretty cold still. But when summer comes around, that's going to get algae constantly because there's no circulation there. This is the first time I'm coming to this place. This house is up for sale. I do a service, and anyway, so I'm here for the first time getting this thing ready to be sold. And this is what I see. But as a service provider, builders, they can sell you on anything. Yeah, it looks cool. Water comes up. Right now it's emptied down because I just vacuumed out a bunch of debris that was in there. So, as you can see, I am not going to get a vacuum down in there at all. A brush, should I want to brush it, can't brush it. Even standing it like that doesn't hit the bottom of the thing, so I'd have to get a longer brush. My handheld vac that I would normally use on a spa or something doesn't fit down in there. My last option is to hook up my hose and literally wrap it around like this through here and do this. So I have to snake this all out. Now, believe it, I'm going to charge to do this because this is my time, and in order to do a good job on it, that's what I'm gonna have to do. So anyway, a normal service provider most likely is not going to do that every week to get this sand and dirt out. When it gets windy, like here, they're basically on they got dirt thing back here and whatnot. So yeah, this pool, even though it looks pretty easy, it's square. Well, they did do a decent job of getting it rounded out a little bit there with the step, but it's square, so we're going to be getting algae in that corner there. Anywhere you have a square, your corners that you're going to get algae. It's already got the build up. They have a salt system. That's another common thing you'll see. But like the return ports, this pool, they have a return port here and a return port here. So all this water is blowing from the shallow end down to the deep end. Since both of them are pointed in the same direction, it's getting absolutely no circulation. You've got another, your third return port there on the far side, and there are no return ports on this side of the wall. So this pool is going to be a nightmare in the summer. Yeah. I don't know. Anyway, don't get one of these. You're not going to like the maintenance.